Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Expensify, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Expensify app on your device. Log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the Create Expense option to start budgeting. Choose a category for your expense from the list provided. Enter the amount spent in the designated field. If applicable, add a description for better record keeping. Attach a receipt by either taking a photo or uploading it from your gallery. After entering all necessary details, click on the Save button. To view your expenses, go back to the dashboard. Select Reports to categorize your expenses further. Create a new report by clicking the New Report button. Add expenses to your report by selecting them from the list. Ensure all expenses are categorized correctly for easy tracking. You can also set a budget limit for each category in the budget settings. To do this, go to the Settings menu and select Budgets. Enter your budget limit for each. Monitor your expenses regularly to stay within your budget. Utilize the Analytics feature for visual insights on your spending habits. Adjust your budget as necessary for future months based on your findings. Review everything to ensure accuracy before finalizing your budget report. Once satisfied, export the report if needed for external use. That's how to effectively budget with Expensify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.